Alright, so out here baling up the hay with the John Deere 2955 and the 469 Mega Wide Plus net wrap baler. It is hot, about 102 degrees out here. Just started about 4:30 in the afternoon and getting after it. In the meantime, working over here on the Case IH 8450 round baler. A little working on the started pickup rollers. We're going to test it out in this hay out here this evening. Just doing a few things. We got the belts all laced, relaced, extensions added, set to length like they're supposed to be. So down here are the starter rollers. The starter roller, they're kind of worn. I know the dimensions just because I looked them up through Messick's on parts. So what we're gonna do is we've got this cut out of that baler belt. I'm gonna run some screws down through it into this wood to hold it in place, and then drill out the remaining holes. Looks good so far. These things are like $45 a piece. Trim a little piece off the baler belt. Got to trim that end up a little bit. I'll let you know how it works. Back on. Alright, okay, so you're going to want to, every so often, actually like hop up here, shoot these. I'm just shooting them on the end because that's where your bearings are. You've got some way down in here too. Every so often hop up here and shoot these.
Yeah. Okay, so
So we finished out the day continuing to roll up some more hay. Still had a few issues with it. We continued on a few days later, actually going and baling. Made some really good bales, and then messed up on some other bales, and it kept twisting the belts again. So we're still in the process of working on the baler. We haven't given up on it yet, but we are still in the process. But it's getting better each time, so we're not going to give up on it. Thank y'all again for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll continue putting out more videos for you. Thank you, and God bless you.